Welcome to IT Career Guide. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve your career goals. Network engineers and IT engineers play a critical role in designing, implementing, and maintaining an organization's IT infrastructure. First, get the right education. Pursue a degree in computer science, information technology, or in a related field. Many employers prefer candidates with a formal education in these areas. Second, gain fundamental knowledge. Learn about networking concepts, protocols, and hardware. Key areas to focus on include TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, and routing and switching. Third, get certified. Certifications like CompTIA Network, Cisco CCNA, and CCCNP can significantly boost your resume. These certifications validate your skills and knowledge in network engineering. Fourth, develop hands-on skills. Build a home lab or use virtual lab environments to practice configuring routers, switches, and firewalls. Hands-on experience is crucial for understanding real-world scenarios. Fifth, gain work experience. Start with internships, entry-level positions, or freelance projects. Working in a real-world environment helps you apply your knowledge and improve your skills. Sixth, stay updated with the latest trends. The IT field is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed about new technologies, cybersecurity threats, and industry best practices. Seventh, network with professionals. Join online forums, attend industry conferences, and connect with other IT professionals. Networking can open doors to job opportunities and mentorship. Subscribe for more career tips and roadmap. Following these steps will put you on the path to becoming a successful network engineer or IT engineer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career tips from IT Career Guide.